Stop scrolling. ChatGPT 5 just made running a marketing business a heck of a lot easier. Give me just a few minutes and I'll show you 3 simple workflows you can steal today. No advanced jargon, no tech headaches. You'll definitely want to stick around for the third one. It turns a 3-minute voice memo into cash money. Quick big picture. I've recently seen a lot of negative feedback on this newest version of ChatGPT, but I've also seen marketers realizing the new features can make a huge impact. Let's dive in. ChatGPT 5 follows instructions better, makes fewer AI got confused mistakes, and gives you 2 styles, a fast, lightweight mode for quick tasks and a deep, think it through mode for hard decisions. It can even choose the right style for you based on your goals. In plain English, you tell it what you want and it's much more likely to do exactly that. Here's what you're going to walk away with this video. A 30-minute campaign sprint you can run for any client. A client meeting autopilot that writes the recap, the task, and the next steps. And finally, a content to cash routine that turns one voice memo into post emails and a tiny offer. So let's go. Workflow number 1, the 30-minute campaign sprint. The goal? Go from what are we selling to test-ready ad copy and a simple landing page section written for you at lightning speed. Step A, give it the raw material. Copy-paste your client's product or service description or the text from their website. If you only have bullet points, that's fine. ChatGPT 5 can easily read between the lines.
My boy's wicked smart.
Once you've snagged that, here's the prompt. Read this offer. In one response, list 1, who it's for, 2, the main problem they feel in their words, 3, the promise, 4, proof we can show, like reviews and case studies, 5, the one clear action we want. Keep it simple. Step B, after it provides the first response, ask for the hooks and the headlines. Here's the prompt. Based on that, give me 7 short hooks, under 12 words, and 5 headlines, under 20 words, that sound like a human, not a brand robot. Step C, get ad variations. Here's the prompt. Write 3 ad bodies, 1 direct, 1 story-based, 1 curiosity-based. Each under 120 words. Add 1 call to action line to each. Step D, draft the top of a landing page. Yes, it can do this. Here's the prompt. Give me a hero section. Headline, 1 sentence, subhead, 3 bullet benefits, and a call to action button label. Step E, hand me a to-do list. Turn everything above into a checklist for a junior marketer. This will keep it simple for you if you're doing this for the first time. 10 items max. Put the most important first. You now have testable creative and a mini page draft without staring at a blank screen. By the way, I know I'm providing a lot of info. Did you know that you can go to the transcript of any YouTube video, copy and paste all of it into ChatGPT, and ask it to provide the SOP, or standard operating procedure? Within seconds, it's going to give you an amazing response in Cliff Notes. You're welcome. Workflow number 2, client meetings on autopilot. Most client meetings go sideways for 2 reasons. 1, no clear goal going in, no clear next steps coming out. This next tip fixes both in a matter of minutes. Before the call, ask ChatGPT 5. Yes, you can click the mic icon and talk to it if you'd rather not type. Just say, make a simple agenda for a 30-minute check-in with a local, insert the niche or the business. Add time limits and 6 questions to catch roadblocks early. Budget, who approves, missing assets, legal, end the prompt with what would count as a win by Friday. Why will this simple prompt work? A tight agenda keeps you on track and saves a week of back and forth, we're still waiting on the logo emails. Right after the meeting, paste your messy notes or transcripts from Zoom or Google Meet and again click the mic icon and say, turn these into 1, a 5-bullet summary in plain English, 2, a task list grouped by owner with realistic due dates, 3, decisions we made today, and 4, 2 smart follow-up questions. Add any risk that you notice. Now everyone knows what was said, who's doing what, and by when. No debate spiral, just a clear scoreboard. Finally, have it draft a recap email with the subject line, client's name, 30-minute recap, and next steps. Include the summary, decisions, owners with dates, risks, and 2 follow-ups. Ask the team to reply, confirmed, or edit by, insert date and time. Keep it friendly and concise. That's the prompt. Set the purpose, structure the notes, send a recap. You'll spend the same 30 minutes on the meeting, but save hours afterwards. You look prepared, they feel led. On to workflow number 3, content into cash. The goal is to turn a 3-minute voice memo into a week of content and a tiny paid offer. Record a voice memo explaining who you help, one problem they feel today, your fastest, safest fix for the next 7 days, import it to ChatGPT and say this. Remember, use the mic icon. Turn this into a $9 to $29 quick win mini offer with a title, 5 bulleted promises, and a simple outline. 2, a 1-page checkout description, 5 short social posts that point to it, and a 3 email welcome sequence that helps them use it. Next, ask for a tiny tracking sheet. Yes, it can give you a spreadsheet. Give me a simple table I can paste into a spreadsheet with the date, post used, clicks, purchases, notes. Add a 1-sentence tip on what to change if clicks are high but purchases are low. Run that loop every week. One memo in, ChatGPT kicks out digital gold. Momentum builds. Here's 2 clever use cases worth stealing. Use case A, review rescue for local businesses. If you own a local business, use this. If you work with local businesses, sell this strategy. Here it is. Copy the last 50 reviews from a client's Google profile. Paste them into ChatGPT 5 and add the following. Find the top 3 issues customers complain about in their own words. Write 1 polite reply template for each and 1 3-step fix the business can do this week. This gives you improvement ideas and ready to send replies in minutes. Here's use case B, the dormant list activator. This is amazing. You don't want to miss this. Do you have a client with an email list that's gone quiet? Here's how to wake it up in a week without spending $50,000 on ads. Step 1, gather the last 10 to 20 emails or posts they sent, plus a handful of real comments. Open ChatGPT 5, click the mic and say this. Use these to pull the top 3 pain points in their exact words. Write a simple 7-day reactivation plan, a subject line and 1 short email per day, a matching social post, and a tiny $27 to $49 quick win offer. Include a version that pushes to a book a call page. You can use Go High Level CRM, Calendly, whatever booking software you use. Step 2, paste a basic CSV spreadsheet with name and any notes like asked about pricing or clicked but didn't buy. Say this, write 20 personal 1-line openers under 18 words I can paste at the top of emails or DMs. Step 3, ask for the offer assets. Name the micro offer, write the promise in 3 bullets, add a friendly refund line, and script a 90-second what you'll get video. Step 4, I know there's a lot of steps, but it's worth it. Get a mini scoreboard. Ask ChatGPT 5 to get a simple tracker with sends, replies, clicks, booked orders, revenue, and 2 tweaks to try after day 3. Run that for a week. You'll go from crickets to replies, bookings, and small deposits fast, while proving you can move revenue without partnerships or extra hires. Here are some common beginner mistakes when using ChatGPT 5 and some easy fixes. Mistake number 1, asking for everything all at once. Slow down. First, ask it to summarize, then create. Finally, organize. 1 step at a time beats 1 giant mess. Mistake number 2, vague prompts. Add guardrails. Say things like, under 120 words. Give me 7 hooks. Write this like a friendly expert talking to just 1 person. Mistake number 3, not checking the work. Skim before you send it. If it feels off, say this. Rewrite in plain, natural language. 2 tweaks to prompts will usually nail it. Do you want the fast lane to digital marketing success? Enroll in the Subject Matter Expert Academy today. You'll learn all the skills from prospecting to sales to fulfillment. If you're ready for the full playbook, the doors to Subject Matter Expert Academy are open. In 8 weeks, I will walk you step by step through prospecting, sales, and fulfillment. I'll hand you every template I use with clients, and I'll coach you live every week until the pings become your new morning soundtrack. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If this was helpful for you, please give this video a like. Make sure to subscribe and turn notifications on because my next video is going to be a banger. Peace!